Hi Dream Homers, a blessed day to all of you. Again, I'm Nem Marquez, a PRC Res accredited and DHSUD registered from Invest Manila. If you're just new to my channel, please don't forget to click like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to keep you updated on my property videos. And Dream Homers, I just want to share one of our property listing here in Greenland, San Mateo, Rizal. If you're looking for a property na malapit lang sa Batasan, Quezon City, consider this property. So, it's a 4-unit townhouse. Ang lot area nito is 91 to 115 square meter with a floor area of 185 to 190 square meter. It comes with 2-car garage, 5 bedrooms, and 4 toilet and bath. And price of this property is, inner unit is 10.3 million and itong corner, itong nakikita nyo dito sa likod ko is 10.9 million. So, let's begin our tour. Itong nasa center na to, this is the corner unit. So, ayan yung facade ng property, no? Pare-parehas lang naman yung facade. Ang pinagkaiba lang, itong corner is mas malaki yung kanyang lote. So, pakita ko lang sa inyo. So, ayan. So, ayan, no? Itong gate na yan, hanggang dyan yung corner unit. And then, merong inner unit, which is ito. Dalawa dito. Ayan. Ang lote ng mga inner unit is 91.5 square meter. Ito namang lote ng corner unit is 115 square meter. Ayan. Okay. So, ang ipapakita ko sa inyong unit is itong inner unit. Dito kasi yung tatlo is ongoing construction pa. Ito yung malinis na. So, as you can see, no, gated na rin siya. Ito yung color ng facade ng bahay. So, pagpasok natin dito, itong inyong car garage, which is covered na rin. Kasya dito yung 2 vehicle nyo. Ayan siya, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, reflective windows na rin yung ginamit. And a lot of pin lights. Okay? Tama lang para mabigyang ilaw itong car garage nyo. So, welcome to your dream home. So, pagpasok natin, it's an open concept layout. Dito sa left side, ito na yung inyong living area, living space nyo, no? So, you have your cove lighting design. Light and may pagka-blue yung pin lights niya, no? Dito sa sa camera ko. Anyway, so, yun, that's it. So, this will be your living space. Ayan. So, merong space sa ilalim ng stair, no? Na pwedeng yung gawing storage area, no? So, kung mapapansin nyo kanina yung nasa car garage tayo, reflective mirror or windows yung ginamit, no? Sliding door na rin yan, hindi siya mirror. So, makikita natin yung tao sa labas, pero kayo nandito sa loob, hindi nakikita. So, that's it. Combination siya of a window and sliding door. So, access sa car garage. Okay, so that will be your living space. So, a lot of socket, no? Kung mapapansin nyo, merong socket sa tabi ng mga windows. And of course, you also have your socket sa ilalim ng hagdan. And kung makikita nyo dito sa wall, pagbukas nyo ng pinto, may socket rin. So, pwede nyo dyan i-set up yung inyong TV console. Dyan nyo ilagay yung TV nyo, no? Ready na rin siya for your internet cable. Okay? So, moving forward, this area will be your dining area, which is kasya po dito ang 6 seaters of dining table. And of course, meron na rin siyang socket. And tingnan nyo naman po yung inyong cove lighting design. And of course, yung lights na ginamit for your dining table, no? So, included na po yan once na pinurchase nyo itong property. And of course, you also have your sliding door that will be your access going to your service area. Okay? And of course, sa tapat lang ng inyong dining area will be your kitchen area, which is meron na rin kayo ditong breakfast nook, no? So, enough space, no, to do your cooking activity in your kitchen. So, pakita ko po sa inyo sa loob. So, quality finish naman po yung ginamit, no? Very smooth, soft and closed na rin siya. And of course, this will be your area for your range hood and cooktop. Okay, so you also have your countertop here. Okay, so your sink, your single sink. Ayan. Okay. And what else? A lot of storage cabinet. Okay. Ayan. And then, of course, dito sa baba, you have your powder room. So, this will be your powder room. So, ayan, no, spacious yung choice of color ng wall tiles na ginamit. No, maaliwala siya. Ayan. And, let's check the service area. So, this will be your service area, no? Ayan, okay. Pwede kayo maglagay na lang ng yung bubong na polycarbonate, no? Para at least cover dito. Kasi dito kayo magsasampay, maglalaba. And of course, this will be your ayan, service area nyo dito. Pwede rin magluto dito if choice yung magkaroon ng maids. Your location for your washing area. May socket din naman dito sa sink nyo. So, that's it, no? Spacious naman siya. Enough space sa mga pwede natin gawin sa service area. So, that's it for the ground floor. You have your living, dining, and kitchen space. And of course, your service area. You have your powder room here. So, let's check ang ating second floor. So, pag-akyat natin, you will see, no, enough space naman. Mas malaki pa nga ang space ng hagdan, no? Hindi siya bitin pag tinatapakan mo, no? And tiles na rin yung ginamit sa flooring. So, this will be your second floor. So, dito sa second floor, nandito ang inyong 3 rooms. So, check ko muna itong first door. Pag-akyat natin. So, this will be your first bedroom. And I can say this will be the master bedroom. So, this is the size of the master bedroom. Kasya dito, king size of bed. No? So, ayan, meron na rin siyang socket, magkabilaan. So, dito nyo ilalagay yung bed nyo, no? And then, of course, meron kang window. And dito sa wall may socket na rin and internet cable ready na rin. Dito nyo ilalagay yung inyong TV. And of course, itong pinto na to, this will be your balcony, no? Para at least meron ka namang view dito sa harap ng road. So, ayan. Okay, ito yung inyong car garage kanina. Diyan ako pumasok. So, this will be your balcony. Okay. So, look at the console lights na ginamit. Now, very modern na rin siya, Dream Homers. So, yan. Another lights dito sa master bedroom. Sa camera ko, para siyang may ng color blue. Pero, white lang siya in actual. Okay. So, of course, you also have your walk-in closet. So, ayan po, no? Enough space. Ang ganda ng finish ng mga built-in cabinet, no? Of course, soft and close mechanism na rin siya. Yan. So, di ba? Kung nagtatalo kayo ng asawa nyo, pag minsan, di ba, nababalibag ng cabinet, no need na. Hindi kayo maririnig ng kapitbahay. Anyway, so this will be your master bedroom. Ayan. So, ang ganda rin ng color of tiles na ginamit, no? So, ayan. You have your complete lavatory set, of course. Ayan. Ang kagandahan dito, kung mapapansin nyo, no? Appreciate nyo po yung size ng mga toilet and bath. And even the rooms, malalaki siya. So, you also have your telephone shower, your wall niche. Ang ganda. So, yan. That will be your master toilet and bath. Okay. So, we're done for master bedroom. Again, let's take a look for the master bedroom. So, let's check the other rooms. Okay. So, your bedroom number 1. So, ayan no, kasya dito a bunk bed and the double size of bed. Of course, you have your window for ventilation and meron ka na ring built-in cabinet. So, very, kumbaga, packed quality, no? Practical. Talagang may built-in cabinet ka na rin. Yan, no? Ganda rin ang finish niya, mga Dream Homers. Of course, soft and close mechanism na rin siya. Modern din yung design. So, that will be our bedroom number 1. A double size of bed or a bunk bed is kasyang-kasya. And your bedroom number 2. So, same size lang ng bedroom number 1. And you also have your built-in cabinet, which is parehas lang din. Okay? So, makikita nyo, no, may naka-ready na rin dyang socket for your aircon. So, nothing to worry. I-assist naman kayo ng seller sa paglalagay ng aircon. Okay? Or even yung bibilhan nyo ng aircon. Of course, the 2-bedroom, meron silang common toilet and bath. So, this will be your common toilet and bath. Ayan. Nice, no? Ang lalaki ng mga bathroom and kahit ang mga kwarto. It's complete lavatory set. So, nandito yung water closet and your sink. And of course, pasok lang konti, nandito ang inyong shower area. Nice, ang ganda. Okay, so that's it. Okay, so for the second floor, nandito ang 2 bedrooms and your master room. So, ayan yung kanyang hall area. And of course, this stair going to your 3rd floor. So, okay, yung railings niya is made of metal na rin, Dream Homers. So, dito sa 3rd floor, meron tayo ditong 2 bedrooms. So, pag akyat natin, meron ka agad ditong makikitang door, which will be your big, spacious, diba? Spacious balcony, where you can set up here a table for your coffee area. Diba? Kasi kahit pa paano, meron ka namang view ng mga puno. So, may greenery. So, pasok lang tayo sa loob. So, ayan yun, no? So, nice, no? Ang ganda rin ng view dito. Ayan, may greenery view ka. And kung mapapansin nyo, ayan, may view na rin kayo doon ng batasan ng QC. Ayan, so, ito, if we move forward, ito, so may access dun sa family area. Okay? Ayan, so, balik tayo dito. Okay. So, this will be your family area, which is meron siyang sliding door na access dun sa balcony. Which is napakaganda, di ba? So, kumbaga, ang dali lang ng access. Kung medyo marami kayong family na mag-get together, you can use this family area and the balcony. Yan, dream homers. And let's check the 2 rooms. Okay, so this will be the bedroom number 3. Same size lang siya nung bedroom 2 and 3 sa baba. Okay, and of course, your built-in cabinet. And our last bedroom, bedroom number 4. Pare-parehas lang ng size, dream homers. If you want to see an actual, no, kung ano yung sinasabi ko sa video, just let me know and get a viewing. Just contact me to my contact number. It's flashed on the description box. And of course, ayan, may built-in cabinet na rin siya. And syempre, meron itong common toilet and bath, which is same lang ng style ng common toilet and bath ng second floor. So, ito siya, no? Okay. Ayan yung water closet and your shower. That's it. Ang laki ng kanyang wall niche. No? And then yung tiles niya, it's a non-split tile. So, safe naman, no? Safe siya sa elderly and sa mga bata. Okay. So, that's it, dream homers, no? So, this property, meron siyang total of 5 bedrooms. So, kung nakita nyo, no, malaki yung size ng mga bedrooms. Okay? And you also have a big family area and a balcony, which is meron na rin kayong overlooking view ng mga trees and of course, sa batasan area. So again, if you're interested to view this one, just let me know and I'm very happy to assist you finding your dream homes. So bye and God bless you all dream homers.